Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
Look out across the region as we're beginning to get some daylight. One thing you will notice before you head out the door are some stronger wind gusts. They will be even picking up later into the day, but those gusts this morning, 34 in Weed, Gold Beach, 45, even over East Side, it's picking up. So we do have multiple wind advisories and high wind warnings in place. In those areas with the high wind warnings where you can expect those gusts, the 65 to 70 miles per hour, areas where we are tracking out that wind advisory, those gusts will be 45 to 50 miles per hour, and that'll be picking up throughout our afternoon this morning into our afternoon today. Won't be settling until later tonight. Now this morning we are tracking rainfall. It is mainly over west side. Snow levels as we're waking up are between about 4,500 to 5,000 feet. But taking a look out at a bigger picture, this is what is driving our weather today. It is causing a tight pressure gradient. We are tracking those winds, and on top of that, we'll continue with the shower activity for the day, picking up again as we head into tonight. But current temperatures, it is a bit more mild this morning, especially areas over east side. But these temperatures are what we've been waking up the past few days with into our west side areas. Now for today, our high temperatures are going to be cooler, but it's pretty on par with what we should be expecting for this time of year. High of 61 for Medford, 53 into Klamath Falls, 56 for Wairika along the coast, 50 for Brookings. And with that being said, along the coast, we do have a high surf warning that will be from 11 a.m. today until 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Expect some large breaking waves, and a lot of us want to head outside to check out those whales, but the weather isn't looking too favorable for the coast. We're expecting periods of moderate to heavy rainfall throughout the day and into western Siskiyou County as well, and some higher elevation snow. It will pick up again as we're heading overnight tonight, but that's where a lot of that rain will be focused for the day. We'll see shower activity inland, maybe lighter showers over east side, but as we head overnight tonight, it will become a bit more widespread into our Friday. But we're going to keep a close eye on tonight as well, because we could see some pretty heavy snowfall rates into higher elevations along the Cascades and into western Siskiyou County, so that it will make for some difficult driving conditions. But like I mentioned, into Friday, those showers become much more widespread. And in terms of those snow levels, tonight we'll see those snow levels drop close to about 4,000 feet, dropping more so as we head into our Saturday. But the big impact day that we're looking at is going to be overnight tonight. So into those higher elevations, we do have a winter weather advisories, the Cascades above 4,500 feet in the Crater Lake, Diamond Lake area, and into western Siskiyou County tonight through tomorrow morning. Make sure you are checking out those roads before you head out the door. Now let's go ahead and take a look at your next 7 days for the coast. Showers continuing into our Friday with some windy conditions over into Northern California. Drying out a bit into your Saturday, but it does pick up as we're ending out our weekend into next week over into the Klamath Basin. We'll see snow levels dropping throughout the night tonight, but we won't be seeing many large travel impacts east side with winter weather tomorrow. Over into the mountains, we'll continue on with that wet weather to the end of the week. Windy through our Friday as well. Showers do wrap up for our Saturday, returning quickly into our Sunday, continuing to be wet to the end of the week in the Rogue Valley.